welcome YouTube to my maths guide. Today we are focusing on surds and how we can deal with them. So this question comes from the June 2017 A-level paper, and it basically says we have this expression 1 add 4 root 7 divided by 5 add 2 root 7, and we need to put it into the format of m plus n root 7. So what does all of this mean? Well, we have the number 1 and we add it to 4 lots of root 7, which is some irrational decimal number, and then we divide it by 5, add 2 lots of root 7. And we need to have our answer in a format where, well, the letter m just represents a number, and so we have a number and we add it to another number which is multiplied by root 7. So the first thing we need to do is multiply this by 1. It's that easy. Now you might be thinking, well, if I multiply that by 1, then surely I'm just going to have this. Well, yeah, that's true. So 1 add 4 root 7 over 5 add 2 root 7 times by 1. Okay, super easy stuff. So we're timesing it by 1. Now we can actually rewrite 1 in many different ways. For example, you can rewrite 1 as being 1 over 1, or 1 can be equal to 2 over 2. It could even be equal to 171 over 171. Basically, if you divide anything by itself, it's going to equal 1. So in the same way, what we can do is we can take this number here, and what we do is we switch the plus sign into a minus sign, or if this was a minus sign, we'd switch it into a plus sign, and then we rewrite that expression over itself. So effectively what we do is we rewrite this 1 as 5 minus, right, it's the opposite of here, 5 minus 2 root 7 over 5 minus 2 root 7. So we're timesing it by 1. Now let's multiply the two together. We're going to fuse them in. So 1 add 4 root 7, 5 minus 2 root 7 over 5 plus 2 root 7, 5 minus 2 root 7. So let's multiply these out. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 root 7 times 5 is plus 20 root 7, because we've got 4 lots of root 7 and we're having 5 of them in total, so 5 lots of them would be 20 lots of root 7 in total. Then we have 1 lot of negative 2 root 7, and we have 4 lots of root 7 times by negative 2 root 7. So we do 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. And what's root 7 times root 7? It's a bit of a head scratcher there. Well, let's take 4. Let's look at squared numbers. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 squared equals 4. So you can say that the root of 4 is equal to 2. Now, if the root of 4 is equal to 2, then this is what we want to know. What happens if we do a root times a root? Well, we could rewrite root 4 as 2, since they're equal to each other. So you get 2 times 2, you know that's equal to 4. So therefore this has the same answer. Now, root 4 times root 4 is the same as writing root 4 squared. So the basic rule is, if you square a root, you just extract the number inside, and that's the answer. It's really that simple. So anyway, so therefore root 7 times root 7 is going to be 7. So you're going to have 8 times 7, and we'll leave that in brackets together. Now we've got all of this over 5 times 5, 25, and we've got 2 root 7 times 5, that's going to be 10 lots of root 7, and then you've got 5 lots of negative 2 root 7, so that's minus 10 root 7, and then you've got 2 root 7 times negative 2 root 7, so that is negative 4 times, and what's root 7 times root 7? We know that's 7, so we put those in brackets as well. Now, why did we change this plus into a negative? So why? This is called rationalising the denominator, which sounds complicated, but that's what we did. We rationalised the denominator. We just switched that from minus and then rewrote the expression over itself. Now, why did we do this? Well, it all becomes clear now, because as you can see, this chunk here cancels itself out. Plus 10 root 7 minus 10 lots of root 7, what's that going to equal? It equals 0. So in fact all of that is gone, it's all blank. So all of that disappears. So we're left with 25 minus 4 times 7. So we're going to have 25 minus 4 times 7. Okay, let's simplify this a little bit. 8 times 7, we know that's 56. And 4 times 7, we know that's 28. Okay, now what's 25 minus 28? Well, let's just rewrite the whole thing here. So the next step we need to do is do something called collecting like terms. So this basically just means boxing things together. So we've got 5, we've got positive 2 root 7, we've got negative 2 root 7, we've got negative 56, and this bit here is going to equal a number as well. So what's 5 minus 56? It's negative 51. What's 20 lots of root 7 minus 2 lots of root 7? That's 18 lots of root 7. And 25 minus 28 is negative 3. So we're getting pretty close now to solving it. All we need to do is just divide by negative 3. So negative 51 divided by negative 3 is 17, and 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6, and of course we have, that's negative 6 lots of root 7. So our final answer is 17 minus 6 root 7. So this is the format we needed, so we can see 17 is the m, the negative 6 is the n, and the root 7 is the root 7. So it's all in the correct format, and this is our final answer. If you found this video of value, then feel free to donate to my channel to help keep it going. Also subscribe for more videos from me, and I hope you guys have a good day.